Morning, folks. Happy Friday. Pretty mild today. So Casey boy here. He's eating some grass. Come on, dude. He didn't eat his breakfast this morning, so he's having one of those. I'm having a bad belly day. Right? A bad belly day. He goes through these. Come on, dude. Come on. Sometimes I let him eat the grass, but not usually where other dogs and stuff like that have been around. I go into uncharted territory. Come on. Oh, boy. That's a good boy. I got a little bit of wind out today. Mild wind, actually. So it's not too bad. I don't mind the mild. No, 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 no. Mr. Salad. Mr. Salad. Bet you that one didn't taste very good, did it? I bet you that one didn't taste very good. Got some more brushing in on him today. Oh boy. That winter coat. Oh, he's not. He's what's in my pocket. What's in my pocket? Huh? What's in my pocket? Where is it? Get it. Well, you just dropped it there. You're supposed to take it home. Zoomies. Watch out. Silly boy. Huh? Silly boy. Anyways, I found that little stuffed animal. He likes to find things out and about. He's not very good at taking them home. Now, if that was Dabby, she would have carried that thing all the way home. He's done it once or twice. Come on, dude. Look, come on. Acting close to me today. Gotta keep him close today. Anybody? Ice is pretty much melting back here. Whoop. Almost bought the fireman there. Same spot I just left the last time I come through here. So they get for not paying attention. Pretty quiet today. Haven't seen too many people come through. I've not seen too many people come through. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Oh, jeez. Almost tripped again. Oh, there's that lady. I was just going to say, there was a lady ahead of me. I don't know where she went. I just found her. She's walking the path along the river. Now, we can't go that way because Mr. Casey boy here doesn't care if it's winter or not. He'll jump right in the river. Just sniffing for smelling something. The wind is a little high today. Anybody? Always on the lookout for deer. You never know. We actually hear them first before we see them. Because when they're running through the bushes, they actually make a pretty loud noise. Clumping. There's usually 2 or 3 of them whisking through. No coyotes yet. Waiting to see one of those. What's going on over there? Oh. He's looking for something. What you doing, buddy? What you looking for? On the go. There's a bag back there hanging in the tree. Wonder what could be in it. I'm not gonna go back there and look. I'm not gonna go back there and look. I gotta get some more brushing in on them. See, I did this side this morning. So now I got the other side to do. If you notice, it's got like little chunks of hair coming out. Most of you might think, it's winter. Shouldn't he be growing his winter coat? How can he be shedding in the winter? Well, because they shed 2 times a year. So huskies have 2 coats, right? So they actually shed their winter coat to grow a summer coat. Yes, that's right. Summer coat keeps them cool in the summer, regulates their body temperature. And he'll lose his summer coat just before the winter, and he'll grow in a winter coat. So they actually shed twice a year, where most dogs do the once thing, right? River's pretty calm and low today. A couple ducks out there. I'm not gonna go near it because Junior over here, right now he's got me backtracking. What are you doing down there? Huh? Come on. Grandpa's there. We gotta go home. Come on. Coming? Come on. Go see Grandpa. Come on. That's not too bad today. Pluses today. Plus temperatures. And Junior over here is eating grass, so I expect him probably to be getting sick soon if he's eating enough of it. Huh? He's eating enough of it. What you doing, buddy? Really quiet here today. Coming? It's a very quiet day. And we got the city boys down there up to something in their truck. They're not doing too much. There's a shopping cart with some garbage. Some wooden pallets down there. Normally they come through here and they'll just, clean their way out, pick stuff up on the way through. What are you doing? Come on. You're going to get all full of burrs. And then you're going to be picking them off your tail the whole day. And you're going to be picking them off the tail. Well, we're on the final stretch here, folks. I don't know if we'll do another video today. Probably do a short or something. But everybody have a great day. I'll see you later.